Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to see about the topic chloroplast, page number 65. Okay, so what is mean by that chloroplast? So even we know that what are all the different cell organelles which is present inside that cell. Okay, if you take a cell in that cytoplasm, many different cell organelles it will be present. In that, one of the important cell organelle it is chloroplast. What is the use of this chloroplast means? See, first thing, the chloroplast it will be present only in a plant cell. It will be absent in animal cell. Okay, the green color. Okay, the green color also it will be given by that chlorophyll pigment which is present in this chloroplast cell organelle, and then it is also used for a photosynthesis. Okay, the photosynthesis process it can be done only by the plants and not by the animals. Even we human beings also we are depending on the plants for our food. Okay, the photosynthesis means what? It is nothing but the production of food by getting through that sunlight. The plants it will be producing their own food. Okay, it will not depends on any others for their food. Okay, inside that it is called as photosynthesis. Here the chloroplast it is very much important for the plants to produce that produce that food materials, okay, through that photosynthesis process. Here what it is doing is that through that sunlight, from that sunlight it is just getting that radiant energy and it is converting it into chemical energy, okay, which can be used. It can be used both by themselves and also for that animals. Okay, it is using for themselves and also for that other organisms like animals, even for the human beings, for everything it is also giving that food materials. Okay, that is the important function of this chloroplast. And here, as I said before itself, it can only the plants which have this chloroplast can do photosynthesis. Others they cannot do this photosynthesis process. Okay, and then here it is the structure of an chloroplast. Okay, that inside cell organelles everything it will be present in this chloroplast. And the next one it is Golgi complex. What does mean by that Golgi complex? The membrane boundary sac with the secretory vesicles. What does mean by that? Means the outer boundary. Okay, that membrane, in that membrane this Golgi complex it will be present like sac like structures. Okay, the small structures which is with that secretory vesicles. What is mean by that secretory vesicles means which is important for that secretion of an oil or even any other fluids. Every secretion it will be taken place by this Golgi complex. That is an important function of this Golgi complex. So here, as I said, the functions are that production of secretory substances, packaging, and also that secretion. Okay, packaging means that all that fluid materials, whatever it is secreting and everything it will be supplied throughout the cell. Okay, everything it will be done by this Golgi complex. And then this is the secret behind the change in color and taste of fruits. What are that color change and also due to that taste, different taste, everything it depends on this Golgi complex, how much that secretion it is produced and how much it is stored in the fruit. Okay, everything it depends on because of this Golgi complex alone. And the next one it is lysosome. What is mean by that lysosome? A small organelle which will be seen only under that light microscope. Usually cell it will be very minute. In that itself these lysosomes it will be in very tiny particles. Okay, only through that microscope we can view this lysosome also, and also digestive compartments of the cell. What does mean by that digestive compartments? Just they lies a cell when it is one cell, if it is dead means only the another new cell it will be produced. That dead process it will be done by this lysosomes. Okay, it will be used for the replacement of the new cell. Okay, that is what lyse a cell means. It will kill or it will just eat that cell. In such a way this lysosome it will be doing its work, which is also called as suicidal bag. Okay, the lysosome though it is just killing that cells and then replacing it, that process it is doing, so it is called as suicidal bag. And then here your questions you are going to learn and write. Question number 7, write a note on chloroplast with a neat diagram. You want to draw the structure of a chloroplast. Okay, and what are the important functions of the chloroplast you want to write. And then 8th one, what are Golgi complex and lysosome? Explain. What is mean by that Golgi complex and lysosome? What are all the functions? Everything you want to write down.